Verily those people who have denied, who have decided to be kuffar, to deny, 𝗂𝗏 عَلَيْهِ, for them it's equal. أَأَنذَرْتَهُمْ, whether you warn them, أَمْ لَمْ تُنذِرْهُمْ, or you don't warn them. لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ, they are not going to believe. Now actually here also Quran is pointing towards certain people. This is not general. So many people were kuffar, had not become Muslims till these ayat were revealed, and they became Muslims later on. So it cannot be a generalized meaning. Actually it's a particular group. Those people whom Muhammad had preached for 12 years at Makkah, and they had understood the message of the Quran. And from the depths of their heart, they believed that this is correct. But they didn't want to accept it due to their haughtiness, due to their takabbur, due to their ghurur. Because, they were proud. They didn't want to follow Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Why should we follow Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Are we inferior to Muhammad? No. Then this is actually when they had decided, oh Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is equal. It's equally fruitless or equally without any result. Whether you preach them anymore, whether you go on warning them anymore, or you stop preaching to them and warning them. La yu'minun, they are not going to believe. They have decided to remain kafir. They will not accept you. 𝗃𝗲𝗿𝗵 𝗃𝗵𝗵. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put a seal on their hearts, وَعَلَى سَمْعِهِمْ, and on their ears, their hearing, وَعَلَى أَبْصَارِهِمْ غِشَاوَةٌ, and on their eyes, there is a curtain, there is covering on their eyes. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ, and for them is waiting a very big torment. Now this again, please note, those people to whom preaching was done, the message of Quran had been conveyed to them year after year. 12 years Muhammad took sallallahu alaihi wasallam at Makkah. Abu Jahl, Abu Lahab. It is not that they didn't understand. They understood. Quran was in their own language, and they knew Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from the very birth. Abu Lahab at least knew him from his very birth. But they had decided not to accept due to their haughtiness, their proudness. So actually now such people, they will not avail of your guidance. They will not avail of the guidance of the Quran. They will not benefit, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, from your preaching, from your warning. So it's equal to them. And because due to their refusal to accept the truth, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had punished them by putting a seal on their hearts. This seal is not in the beginning. This seal is put only when somebody refrains from accepting the truth, recognizing the truth that this is true. His heart tells him this is true, accept it, and he doesn't accept. Why? Because of proudness, or because of certain such reasons, haughtiness. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as a punishment puts his seal on his heart. Now he cannot see because there is a curtain before their eyes. They cannot hear because their hearing is also sealed, and now their hearts are closed for any guidance.